In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use discounts in QuickBooks effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a larger organization, applying discounts properly can be a fantastic way to manage pricing strategies and customer incentives. Let's dive right in and explore each step. Start by clicking on Sign In to access your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but today we'll focus on the process assuming you already have QuickBooks set up. Once you've signed in, you're going to choose QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an efficient tool for managing all your finance needs via the cloud, ensuring that you can access your data anytime, anywhere. Next, it's time to type in your credentials. Enter your email and password and hit Continue. If you have any trouble here, make sure to double check your information and that you're using the correct login details associated with your account. Once you've successfully logged in, go to the top navigation bar and click on New. This button is your gateway to creating a new financial document within QuickBooks. For our purpose today, you'll be creating an invoice, so go ahead and click on Invoice. At this stage, you'll want to add the customer you're invoicing. Start by selecting the customer from your list or add a new customer if they haven't been entered into your system yet. This step is crucial because it ensures that your invoice is personalized and directed to the correct individual or organization. Now let's add the product or service that you're charging for. This is the item or service listed in the invoice that your customer is purchasing. Enter the details accurately, including the quantity and price to ensure your records are precise. Now comes the important part, adding the discount. Look at the bottom right of the invoice page and you'll find a text field dedicated to discounts. Enter the discount percentage that applies to this transaction. This can vary depending on your promotional strategy or agreement with the customer. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the discount amount and adjust the subtotal for you, giving a clear picture of the final amount due. Finally, once you've double checked all the details and ensured everything is correct, click on Save and Send. This action not only saves your invoice but also sends it to your customer right away, helping you maintain professional and timely communication with your clients. And there you have it. Applying discounts in QuickBooks doesn't have to be complicated. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your business's invoicing and maintain excellent customer relationships by offering and tracking discounts accurately. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our QuickBooks tutorials for other helpful tips.